Well, good morning, John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 8th of November 2022 and I'm going to go litter picking, it's true. But I thought I'd just say something about this vlog channel. I like the word vlog, it works well for me because it's a bit of a diary of what I get up to. Now I'm retired, I can pick and choose what I do. Fortunately, still healthy enough to do most things, and but I still think in terms of schools and the school year. After all, went to school for 18 years and then I went to college for another 4 years and then I went into the teaching profession for another 25 years. So a lot of my life has been built around the academic year, and this is like being on summer holiday really, all year round. I can do what I want. I'm reasonably well off. Got a car, got a house, got a bike, actually this was provided by the council, I didn't pay for this, and got a little camera, which is very nice. And so I do anything and anything: cycling, gardening, photography, drone work. Oh, watch this space about the drone thing. You know the calendar I made? Well, might be on the local TV soon. If that doesn't happen, this video, this little clip, I'll have to cut it out, but I think we're okay. So it seems that the litter down the road needs picking up again. And I'm not just going to do litter. That's a bit boring. So today's theme, I think I'm going to try it in a proper sarcastic way. Like, oh, thank you very much for dropping all this litter. That's very good of you. Give me something to do on a Tuesday morning. Okay, let's crack on. Well, one thing I have been doing is putting some apples out for everybody to take, and just by the path here by my front door. Look, all gone again. But I think I'm going to stop doing that now because they're slightly going over. We've had a little frost recently, and I think the apples are past their best. So I'm going to bring this in. Yeah. Quite a nice sign though, isn't it? Right, let's cross the road, pick up some litter. Just about make it in time. I can still run, just about. Right. Let's see what the good folk of Nuneaton who frequent Higham Lane have left me to pick up. I can see there's bits over there actually, but I'll do them on the way back. Ah, my first piece, lovely. Foster's can. Let's have that one. Now, this bit I don't quite get. There's a can of beer, but I swear it's still got some in it. So, why has somebody not finished it? Because it makes it heavy for me to carry in the bin. You know, one of the worst culprits for dropping litter is the trees. Look at that, there's a chestnut tree here, horse chestnut. Conkers everywhere, back in a couple of weeks ago. Look at all these leaves everywhere. But I'm told they are biodegradable, so that's okay. Oh, just stop for a second and just have a word about the COP27 in the Middle East. The United Nations General Secretary, whose name I can't remember, basically it said we're on the tipping point of environmental hell. Those are sharp words, and that if we don't sort out the climate change issues, we're going to be in big trouble. He's quite right. I mean, this year we had temperatures here of nearly, well, we did have 40 degrees Celsius. That's crazy. And things may even get worse with storms, fires, floods. Yeah, so, I mean, I'm 71 now. It won't happen in my lifetime, I don't think, but things may get very desperate. And my two lads in their 40s and my grandchildren who are now, you know, nearly 6 and 4 years old, what are they going to say to me about what we did about it back in the day? Which is exactly what he was saying at this conference. COP27. It's taken 27 meetings to get the world to try and sort this out. And in the same year as we are now, Russia have invaded Ukraine for no particular reason and bombed the hell out of it. I can't believe we've not made any more progress than that. So it's very sad, really, and we do what we can. That's why I'm doing this, really. What can you do? I'm going to write to the MP. That'll sort it. Marcus Jones, dear sir, what are we doing about it? Look what I found. 5 big bottles of nitrous oxide for food. They use it to, you know, make cream. Now, I presume they don't feel very heavy, so I presume these are empty. There's 5 of them. Of course, why they're being out and about is because youngsters seem to enjoy breathing the stuff in and getting high. Right. Who would have thought it? What now? Well, that's a special bit of litter, and I think I better contact the council and let them know. But here we are, look, box, and I think they're empty. Is there not? No, it's something else like that. Well, I never. Hold on, there's another one. I'm outside of Lidl, and look at this. Costa coffee. I don't know. Just don't know what's going on there. What? Probably 12 Costa coffee cups just dumped at the bottom of the tree. Well, there we are. In some small way, we've made the world a better place. Do I feel better for it? I think I do, actually. Thanks for watching, and it's till next time, really. Okay, see you then. Bye bye.